knock that in.
Oh. Hi, welcome back to another episode of Together Bistro. This time is a grand episode.
A very special episode from the Grand Canyon. First time here, I'm loving it.
A dream come true.
Yes.
30 years waiting for this. We're gonna show you how to make chicken kebabs in our camping site. Yeah.
Some of our kids believe this is not real. This is a simulation. It's so beautiful. It
Look at
cannot
this.
be real.
Look at that. Look how crazy this is. Okay, so we're gonna make kebabs, and for that we cut the veggies back in Austin. So we have bell peppers and onions, and the trick is actually to cook the kebabs separately, meaning the veggies using one of the kebab sticks and the chicken on others, because they cook at different temperatures and you don't want to eat raw chicken while you're camping. So yeah, I'm gonna chop up the chicken because it was frozen when we left Austin, and yeah, it stays fresher that way. So I'm gonna start cutting them, and we have the fire going, and we're going to also make some corn and some, of course, rice. All right, so while Iñaki's lighting up the fire, I'm just going to put the corn inside aluminum foil so that we can start roasting them. These are the things that take a little bit longer. So this in the chicken, so I'm starting with that. And yeah, we'll show you where you would put the corn. You know, camping is an interesting situation for when it comes to food, because it takes a lot of planning, is what I've learned. People are hungry, hangry. We just got back from the Grand Canyon. Everybody's really wiped out. I wish I could be taking a little rest like everyone else, but you know, we have to be thinking about what's next, what's the next meal. So that's why we plan everything. All right, so now that we have cut our chicken, we're gonna add spices. So can you just add some spices to these, Alani, please?
How do I do that?
Oh, you just grab these literally and shove them in there. You can do, I'll do this one, and then you can do the peppers. So you just go, you know, some salt, some pepper, some of this vegan chickenless seasoning salt for chicken, which makes no sense. Yeah, maybe you can sit. Do you want it a little spicy or no?
A little bit. Wait,
So then you go like that, and then you,
is that gonna be spicy now?
no, not too much. And then just mix it up. And then we're gonna kebab. And these are for the dogs.
Delicious.
Where are they? They're so dirty.
Oh yeah, I think they're napping, but Sky's like disgusting.
She's really gross. It's like red dirt here in Arizona. And back here we have the guys. We're being kind of stereotypical.
Yeah, but that's not what we mean.
That's not what we mean at all.
We just came to help.
And then, do we put ginger, you
I
think?
don't know. I don't want to get spicy.
Do you think ginger?
That's strong smell.
Ginger or no?
A little bit, like a noodle, like pinch.
Like just a pinch. All right. Ike, you want to help kebabbing?
Yes.
Okay, maybe you want to wash your hands.
Oh, my hands are not clean, but it's okay because
Oh yeah, the fire will take care of it.
¿Qué te pasa, oye?
Lo estoy fastidiando, mamá. All right, so what we do is we make them all separate, meaning veggies and chicken, because,
why?
oh, what do you think?
Because the chicken takes longer to cook.
Yep. And you don't want to overcook these guys. So who wants to do peppers?
I'll do the chicken. I love. Wait, do I just put like?
As many, 1, 2. Yeah, like that's a nice space. That's like a one finger. And I'll make the onions. How about that?
I want to eat raw chicken so bad.
Bro, you're gonna die.
I know.
Salud, gracias,
It
perdón.
looks so much appetite.
The pepper.
It looks so much.
Can come here.
Perdón.
You're using my shirt as a neck Kleenex.
No, I sneezed the other way. I was
You're
just not
very dirty,
avoiding
Sky.
sneezing in your face. It's just the pepper.
Like super
The
dirty.
chipotle.
So we are in charge of the fire, right?
Yeah.
And we could have done this in the pit right next to our camping tent. But we decided to use this wonderful Weber grill they had available for us here. This is a wonderful campsite, by the way. You know what it's called? Grand Canyon Camp. Grand Camp? Something like that. We'll let you know. But this is a wonderful campsite a few miles from all the buzz and the crowds of the Grand Canyon. And so we are using this Weber pit to do the kebabs, and we'll see how we are just getting started. We'll let you know how it goes.
This is the rice. We are putting the rice to the rice.
Corn took
Forever.
3 different fires, but we got it right at the end. It's almost all gone.
Mm-hmm.
And,
And the chicken.
and the chicken is delicious. And we are having tacos in Arizona.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't get better than that.
Not New Mexico.
Not New Mexico, not California yet.
So yeah, so it's about a 2-hour process.
Yeah,
See you next week.
we're gonna go and rest. Bye.
Bye. What do you think? Honest opinion.
It's good, like amazing.
Alani,
More tortillas.
Mama, come share with the world.
I like it. Stop eating like an absolute ogre. I am an ogre. Sheriff, stop.
Tacos in New Mexico.
We're not in New Mexico. We're in Arizona. Are you even in the camera?
Tacos.
Wait, are we even recording?